Hey, what's up, my traders? Hope everybody's doing great. I wanted to shoot this video because of the insane moves we've been seeing on gold today. And I thought I'd just highlight something really prevalent in how I was able to take some of these trades while I was just literally just doing everything else besides being at the screen, which is something I love to be doing. Anything else but just staring at a screen is my thing, right? My ticket. So I'm going to start from 8 a.m. Today, which is around here. Okay, so typically when I was starting to look at these charts, I look out for these alerts. You see these red alerts that the software alerts me. It doesn't always, and I see these huge moves, and I'm like, man, I missed that move, stuff like that. And it caught some amazing trades. So for those of you who are busy, do not want to be staring at your screen all day or can't because of your other commitments, the software is worth its weight in gold. You want to find out more about that, it's in the description. You can check it out at your leisure. Now I want to talk to you about taking these trades if you don't have the software, and you can just start to mark up some of these key levels of where we're looking to get in on these trades. So on my chart, I have these pivot levels which I've added, which gives a really good kind of indication of where price is looking to go beyond. And so I'm looking at a pivot area. This is where price has been at just before we get into the new hour. And again, I'm looking at this. I've added this indicator, which basically draws out the previous day's daily levels, and these levels are key levels because that's where price typically will try and go to and either reject from or be supported from. So let's have a look at this. We get this level here. Line is already marked. I'm looking for a candle to break it and close. And that would be pretty much my entry to go into this trade. We get this move and pretty much for until like 8:30. Now there wasn't Canadian news came out at 8:30 today. So we got this huge move, huge spike. And then, that should have maybe hit your profit target for the day. And if that didn't, we can wait until we get this next setup that happens. Okay, so we get all of this, which is what I'm not interested in. I'm looking for, again, where price may have been before. And again, the price, you see that line there where the alert alerts me? It's literally at that pivot level just before move went upwards. So I'm looking for that as another entry point. And guess what? Software alerts me and I'm in. And guys, you want to, I didn't even hear about this, right? This is one of the reasons why I was starting to get a bit curious. So look at that. Sat literally beautifully on that the daily, rejected and broke it. So this is what you can really call a break and retest. So those of you saw my training on Saturday, price breaks it, comes back, tests it, and then we go. That zigzag method on the screen is what I'm looking for. And then that just rallied. That just went and went. Now I was able to get in on this one. Wasn't so much of a high move, but I remember just after midday, I was literally downstairs doing something else. I get an alert about some other assets, but then I noticed, with this level here, this pivot level, we can get in, price breaks it, and we go, and for the hour, pretty much, we've gone. So this move is a constant, right? This is now 1 o'clock, price has rallied back. This is my exit signal. When I see that, I come out and I'm not necessarily looking to go back in. But again, you could also go back in once that previous pivot level is broken. You can go back in. And I think I might have done that. I can't remember if I did do that. I think I may have done that. And then by 2 o'clock, I was getting ready to go at the house. But around 2 o'clock, I think I was waiting for, the break to happen here, and it did, and I went in, boom, just like that. So I did like that move a lot. Then we get the price coming back, and it that was 2ish coming into 3 o'clock. So we get this move right on this level here. You see this pivot level here? Price sat around there, rejected from it. And then guys, the big one, just in case you missed any of those from earlier, we get another opportunity, and it happened literally right at the same level. Excellent level. Price broke down and just went for it. It just went for it. It took out all the previous messing about around the pivot level, broke it, and went down. And now, started to go the other way. Absolutely amazing move, my friend. Absolutely amazing move in the market. So now, obviously, we've gone long, and we're now in a new trading day. So that's how you can really tap into some of these moves around those pivot levels. Mark up your chart, set an alert, get on with your day. When that alert's being triggered, get in and do what you want to do in terms of the amount of money you want to potentially make from these trades. Again, we're risking a small amount to make a ginormous amount, humongous account, ginormous, whatever the word you want to use, whatever superlative you want to use. That's what we're looking to do, risking a small amount. Like here, where the gray candle is, that'll be my stop up here. And then I'm looking to ride this all the way down for the rest of the day. So guys, hopefully that gave some better insight into how you can take these trades, even if you don't have the software. But guys, if you have the software, you can be like me, get the alert anywhere you are. I was actually out when I got a really good alert about this one, then my laptop was messing up with me. Otherwise, I would have nailed that move for the rest of the day. But I had to hit my profit target for the day. That would just have been a bit more icing on the cake. Anyway, hope that's enough. Take care. See you on the next one.